Erin and I'm going to show you how to make a perfect chocochino. And for the things you will need is 2 pods for the chocochino. So let me just move all this stuff out of the way because there's a lot of stuff. So you'll need these 2 pods, which is the hot chocolate and the milk. And you will need a cup, and I've got this cup up, and you'll need a coffee machine, which I have. And you press the power button and wait for it to turn green because it's like flashing red. And now it's green. So you're going to get your cup and put it in. So you get your cup and put it in. And then you're going to lift up this and pull out the insert pod. And then you're going to slice the pod back in. Bring the pod back in. I'll just have it from and put this down. And you're going to put this. You have a red one and a blue one. You're going to press it to the red side.
Bloody hell.
And it'll start making a sound like that. And it'll start bringing out the chocolate.
It's depends if you have a Dolce Gusto there.
So, yeah. And you will need the chocochino pods. And we got loads for free. So
why did we get loads for free?
it was just my mum rang up to the people who made them and asked them like, oh, we have this time. She already had 50% off, so.
And you gave them 50% discount?
Yeah. And so it's just coming in now, like that. And it smells really good. No, that's water. Wait, no, it's not.
That's
No, don't.
green.
It's coming out with water.
Maybe it's just part of it.
And now the milk. So you can do the same thing, but milk will come out, mainly. If I got a sugar, you are straight out of there. Down here, if I could tell me honestly. Got milk on my hand, and then you're just gonna put everything on, turn it off, and you're just gonna get your cup. Mine's full to the top, and you're gonna get a spoon, and you're just gonna mix it. And it depends if you have got a sweet tooth or not, because I have. So you're gonna get some sugar. And you're just going to put half a spoonful of sugar in. Wait, no, I don't need to use that spoon. Half a spoonful of sugar, just to make it a bit sweeter for you. I could say that. Oh. And then you're just going to mix it. And this is what it should look like. So, yeah, it should look like that. My phone's like, so I'm just going to put it on silent. Oh, and like if you like my nails. Oh, I've got some. And then that's your chocochino. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And comment if you like my nails as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.